is exhausting. Hopefully we don't get exhausted. Gonna put a tip on it. Dual exhaust, just out to a single. It was cracked. Here, there's where our leak was. I'll weld that back on. Corsa. So we cut off there was a strap here trying to cover a crack. We put a new gasket up there, and where it broke off.
I know a bunch of you in other states and counties would say this would not pass smog. Well, you're right, it would not. But in this case, one side of the converter had already been knocked out previously before we got it, so it was making unnecessary resistance to half of the engine. With the mileage, we can always put in aftermarket ones later.
Coming together pretty good there.
Brand new battery. Gonna need it.
How about that?